Mike Hughes here. I'm at Riffe again. And Julie, you're going to show us your new knives you have.
These are our two original knives that had the gray handle on it.
Okay.
We really wanted to differentiate, Riffe's style, so we asked to have these done in orange. This is your stainless steel blade knife. These knives are great. We Teflon coat them to help against corrosion. But
right.
These do sometimes spot corrode, and you definitely have to keep them wiped down after each use, not left wet inside the sheath because they can corrode. What we have done differently with these knives is the metal is different, and it's our special knife that we own this knife. So it's our Terminator, and we have a stubby, a single serrated, and a double serrated.
Okay.
And this knife is a self-locking knife for the sheath. And this metal, basically the same design blade. This blade
single.
is a nitro B metal.
Okay.
So it is a fight against corrosion. So a little bit better quality. So the cost obviously will be the difference. But
right.
As long as you take care of your product and wipe it down clean and I just hand towel dry it, and it's fine. It works great. That's all I really do to it.
Okay.
But this is anti-corrosion, so it's a really nice blade, and we love the sheath because it's stiff, and the lanyard just pops over the front and pins it in its little pocket there. So here you have your single serrated, a little longer blade. It's very nice, and it's very comfortable to the hand. And we just walk that over.
So you didn't need to put on?
Yeah, easy to put on, exactly. And then this one's your double serrated.
Oh, okay. The double serrated. When do you need a double as opposed to a single?
A little bit sharper. A lot of people don't want to have to think about which side is the serrated for basically that dagger knife. When we're hunting big game,
yes,
we've got your big dogtooth tuna, yellowfin tuna, bluefin tuna, even wahoo, but that serrated edge just really cuts through nicely. You gotta watch your hands though.
Okay.
But the double serrated versus the straight edge.
Well, that's why you want the cut resistant gloves.
If you really wanted to cut through some cable, you could take a couple solid swipes, and you could definitely cut through cable if you had to. If you're in an emergency, it's a very strong knife.
Okay. Or if
it holds a sharp edge for a long time.
Okay.
And yes, these are our new hold-fast gloves. These are super great. Your typical garden glove with a solid hold-fast grip on there. So we like those.
I'd wear those when I've got the knives.
Super inexpensive, very affordable, and very practical.
Okay.
So, and we also have our new Torpedo Pro float. This float is a 15 psi float with our new Schrader valve built in, so you can pump this up with a bike pump. And it has this overpressure valve, which allows any excess air to hiss off where you can't pop it. So it's very nice.
Oh, perfect.
This float is hard as a rock. I can't even put a
it
dimple
hard
in it. So it's a great float for fighting strong fish and going down below atmospheres.
Cool. And then now we've got some new colors here.
Yes, we do. This is our new wetsuit top. We're going to offer this in a 2 mil and a 3.5.
Okay.
And this is your very stretchy, very comfortable suit with these rubber panels for comfort, very flexible. The inside, this is your grade 39 Yamamoto, but we have a coating on the inside so it doesn't stick to your skin. It's easy to get in and out of. You don't need lube to get in and out of this at all. So it's really nice, and we love our new loading pad to kind of catch that butt end when you're loading. It's very comfortable. And typically with this type of diving water, guys love to grab a pair of board shorts and throw this top on, and you're in the water in a heartbeat, in and out of the boat quick.
And then to match your shorts?
We have to match. We have to collaborate with our fins. So we have our Riffe made by Divar fins, and this is our Digitech. We offer this in a fiberglass and a carbon fiber.
Okay.
So this is great, and you can go without having a backpack to carry all your gear if you needed to do that.
And you put your fins on the side if you got
yes. And this is kind of like your entry level. You can't go wrong with a plastic blade. These are great and very, very well priced. $175 blades, fins complete, and the carbon fiber and the fiberglass would definitely be that higher level diver. Yeah, a little deeper, exactly.
And then there's some other colors as well.
Yes, we have our Rash Guard, Digitech, our Pelagitech, and this is our Covitech, and that's kind of for California diving.
I was going to say.
In kelp, but you know, it's well liked all over.
Uh-huh.
So.
Literally, except for the fish. They don't like it.
I know. Well, you blend into the environment. That's the whole name of it.
Perfect. Oh, that's quite a bit to ingest. And if they want more information about these products?
Yes, if you want more information, call us at speargun.com, and or you can email us
at
info@speargun.com, and I will be happy to answer your email.
Thank you, Julie.
Thank you.